Good Saturday morning, everybody. It's coffee time. Oh, if I can get the coffee out of the thing without knocking my cup off. Now, what we're going to do this morning is, I'm a little bit peckish. Now, we've got a lot of stuff in the fridge there that we kind of really need to use up, so I decided we're going to make a pizza. But first, coffee. Because obviously you can't think and function without coffee, especially on a weekend. Anyway, moving on. Okay guys, it's time to go and do a couple of errands. Michelle's got some library books to take back, and we're going to go and get some nibbles for the weekend. We're out tomorrow, possible barbecue, because it's Father's Day, so we're going visiting family. And yeah, need something for today. Let's go for a ride. Okay guys, like I said before, I'm going to make a pizza today with all the stuff we've got in the fridge. Now, for a pizza you need one main ingredient, which is the pizza dough. So that's what I'm going to make now. Now what I've got here is 3/4 of a cup of warm water, which I'm just going to throw in my bowl. Get it in my cup. To that I'm going to add some fast acting dried yeast, which I've just found in the cupboard. So I'm going to put that in there and let that dissolve for a bit. Stir it up. Okay, so I'm letting my yeast dissolve in the warm but not hot water. Now what I'm going to use, I'm obviously using the simple methods. I'm using cups for measuring. To that I'm going to add, in a second, I'm going to add 2 cups of what I'm using is strong white flour. So while I wait for that to dissolve, I shall attempt to throw some flour all over the table. So that's 1 cup, and I shall be back shortly. Okay guys, so that's been 5 minutes now. What I want to do now is add the flour to that water and yeast. So 1 cup. And I would not advise using a cup that looks like that, because the flour doesn't come out. And cup number 2. Okay, cup number 2. This is a pretty simple dough recipe. All it needs now is 1.5 teaspoons of salt. So, teaspoon. One and a half. And all I'm going to do now is mix it all together. Okay guys, so that's that mixed into a rough dough. So what I'm going to do now is knead that for 5 minutes. So I shall take it out onto the work surface with a bit of flour so I don't stick. And work that, knead that for 5 minutes. So 5 minutes, here I come. Let's get that out your way. Okay, and if the dough's a little bit sticky, as this is, all I'm going to do is add, very slowly add a little bit more flour, a little bit at a time. Don't want to add too much. Okay guys, so I've kneaded that. I don't know how long it was for, but I did aim for 5 minutes, but you know what it's like. Now what I'm going to do, get yourself a bowl, a bit of oil, I can find some, olive oil, bit of olive oil, just to grease the bowl, not too much. Then get the dough ball, mess it about, get the oil on it so it doesn't stick, and then all we can do now is wait. You've got to leave that to rise till it's doubled in size, about an hour and a half. I'm going to leave it for a good couple of hours because it's a bit till tea time, so I shall let that rise. But before I do that, I'll cover it. What I shall do, I'll cover it with a cloth. Just leave that in a warm room, which I'm going to leave in here. Leave that to rise for a couple of hours. Okay guys, it's been a few hours and I'm coming back to see what's happened to my dough, and it's kind of more than doubled. So I'm going to do now, pull that out. And what I'm going to do is work that into a pizza shape. Okay guys, you can see I'm not very good at that, but I've managed to kind of make a pizza shape. At least he's in the restaurant when they go like that and it ends up like pizza shaped. That will do. Now for the topping. You won't believe the pain I went through to get that into that shape. Oh, it's got a couple of holes in it.
I'm just thinking about making sure
It's all the same.
Well no, it's so that the sauce doesn't go all over the bottom of the oven. Right, okay, so we're using the passata as the base, right?
Yeah, assume so.
If you grab me a little bowl. Yeah.
Might have been a bit excessive for these, but
Live in hope. It'll be a fully loaded pizza anyway, that's for sure. You happy?
yeah. Okay.
So how long does that need to go in the oven for?
I haven't a clue.
Start at 12, then check on it. That's what I do, I give it 12 minutes and then check on it. A fresh pizza takes 10 minutes, but the base is already par-cooked, so...
Okay guys, let's see if it's cooked.
I'll fry the chorizo a tad.
Oh, I'll say yeah, that's cooked, isn't it? Let's see that bit.
Yeah, I'd say that was done.
It's because of my job. Okay guys, the battery's gone on the other camera, but you can definitely say that's not a thin crust pizza.
No, it's not, no.
No. But we shall find out. Now, if you do want a thin crust pizza, all that you do is you cook it before you let it rise. You just cook it and you get a thin crust pizza.
Gotta say, that looks immense.
Okay, shall we try?
Yeah.
And that's the final product, and that won't be there much longer.